Not the ice. Not the ice.
Today's the coach's challenge, and we pull up to the hockey arena, and it's a nightmare.
This is great. It is a little chilly. All of us walk on the ice and I'm like, okay, this could be interesting. I skated one time before for like 10 minutes. So I'm like, oh, skating might be a little rough, but you know, I'll make it work. But I played hockey before, like in the street, just like rollerblading and stuff, so I felt pretty confident. I feel like, you know, I feel good.
I might as well be on crutches on this.
It's not cold.
Hey, talk about stacking the deck, huh? I'm from Louisiana.
I never played hockey.
Your ponds actually freeze over in the wintertime.
It does actually, yeah.
Jeez.
Gentlemen, welcome to the City National Arena. This is the practice facility for the Vegas Golden Knights. So today, this is where Stipe and DC will be competing in my favorite part of the season, the Coach's Challenge. For you guys, you get to sit back and relax, and all the pressure is on the coaches. The Coach's Challenge this season is hockey shootout. The coaches will take turns as goalie and shooter, trying to score on each other. The coach who shoots first will get 10 shots to score as many goals as he can. Then the coaches swap, then the goalie becomes the shooter, and the shooter becomes the goalie. So the second coach to shoot will get up to 10 shots to beat the score of the coach who shot first, and that will determine the winner.
I always wanted to be a goalie.
The winning coach is going to get $10,000, and each one of the fighters on his team gets $1,500. Helping us out today from the Golden Knights are announcer Shane Knighty and assistant coach Ryan Craig. A coin toss will determine which coach shoots first and which coach is the goalie first. Good luck, guys. I wish I was there to watch this one.
Awesome. Well, welcome, guys. We're going to flip a coin now. Whoever it lands on gets to choose whether they want to be goalie or they want to be the shooter first. You're going to make sure this flips. All right. Blue gets to choose whether you want to be goalie or shooter first. You want to be goalie first?
We did coin toss. I actually won, so I was happy. I was like, I'll be goalie first, you know, so put the pressure on DC, and DC, he's going to do penalty shots on me as I'm the goalie.
Okay, guys, it's time now to go get suited up. Get you ready. Goalie gear, player gear.
All right.
Let's go do it. Perfect. We got one done. Looking like a player.
Starting to feel like a fucking warrior.
So Ryan was helping me with, you know, my gear, how to put it on, and putting goalie gear on is very interesting because it's so big. I'm not used to it. You know, I put a lot of pads on, and then you got to learn how to walk with it and skate with it. And I just, you know, I was nervous, man, because I was excited, but also I was like, man, I don't want to fall flat on my face and look like an idiot.
Now, you want to hang on to me to start, or hang on to the wall?
Oh, no.
You have to understand, when my kids go ice skating around Christmas time, I stay on the side, or I use one of those duck things that you push and you hold on to keep you upright, because I keep falling.
He's got confidence.
It's gonna take time, though. I'm going backwards. Hold on.
I don't want my children to see me flopping and falling all over the ice.
Oh,
Hey, you know what? You haven't fallen. That's pretty good right now.
I love that you're a motivating guy, but I'm
You're moving, man. You're moving.
Stipe on the ice looked 100%, you know, like this was going to go our way. And then DC comes out on the ice and it's got spaghetti legs, you know.
Whoa. That's why we put the elbow pads on.
The biggest issue was I looked to my team, my rock, my support, and all I see is laughing faces.
talk about some BS, Ultimate Fighter.
Where's the confidence we had earlier?
It's gone since we got on the ice.
Man, everyone was laughing.
I'm as ready as I'm ever gonna be.
So I'm like, all right, man, I guess this is how it's gonna be. I have to just hit the puck as hard as I can.
Oh,
We're at the Golden Knights Arena for the Coach's Challenge. I'm legitimately like a newborn baby deer. My legs is just shaking and I'm terrified.
There we go. Should fire. Take your time.
You want to win this for your kids, you know, so it's like really, really bad. But I'm like, man, boys, don't know if I can help you. I really don't know if I can help you. Crowd goes crazy. I'm on the ground yelling, "Oh my God," because I thought I was getting shut out. Like, I'll be honest with you, I didn't think I was getting any.
DC in his first shot like fell and somehow magically got it through. Felt really bad because I was like, how did I miss that? You know, and yeah. With the hiking mask on, it's hard to see, you know, with all that gear, you're sitting there, I'm sweating profusely, sweat my eyes. You're not used to reaction, I don't see it all the time, so I'm just trying to get used to the reaction stuff, and you know, we got that first shot, I didn't see it.
That was a good shot, man.
Every time I fall down, Shane has to pick me up because I do not have the ability to get back to my feet once I fall to the ground.
He actually hit that?
Glove save, yeah?
He hit that?
He hit. He got his.
Third shot, I actually blocked. I saw it. It was great. And I started getting more confident. I'm like, all right, good. And I started feeling flow. And I think, you know, I was ready to go.
Try to shoot it on the ice. All right, you got two. Let's go, Coach.
Oh, I'm going.
Number 5.
Nice! Go, man. I'm trying here.
6.
He scored on his next shot. Not happy, but I'm not like stressed because I'm like, all right, so through that series, I can still score some goals. I'm okay.
He dashed out.
They had him. Two more shots, champ.
Let's go.
That away made him miss.
That was some bullshit.
So I blocked his next 3 shots, which, you know, gave me more confidence. I'm like, okay, I got this. 3 out of 9. I'm like, okay, now we're cooking. I'm like, ready to go.
One more, last one here.
Let's go, Coach.
This is a big one. Hey,
One
this
more,
is big.
Coach.
Here we go. This is
Let's
it.
go,
One more.
Coach.
Take the momentum to the roof. Hey, great job. That's 4. That's pretty good.
Ends up with 4. This is a miracle.
And his last shot, you know, I think that was a big one. I wanted to stop, and of course I didn't. But I think I blocked him more than half of his shots, so I felt pretty confident. I'm like, okay, good. You know, now it's my turn. I wanted to get the goalie gear off and get regular gear on. And it was, I was sweating so much in that gear.
It's time to do this. They put the goalie stuff on me next, which is more gear and even harder to use.
Get low. Let's go, DC.
I'm dying here. Stipe's standing there, he's all big, he's ready to go. So I'm thinking to myself, like, I'm gonna catch a couple, might block a couple. I thought I was gonna do some slick stuff, right? Like, I thought the stuff I see on TV, like when the goalie kind of just drops his knees, squeezes his legs, I was like, I'm gonna catch a couple like that too. First one goes right between my legs. So I was like, oh, this is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. It went in! So then the second one, it hits the stick. I guess it flipped over because it still went in. Now he's got 2, and I've got 4. We're only through 2 shots.
Let's go, DC.
I made my first 3. I feel great now. I'm confident. I'm like, I got 7 shots. Now, you know, I'm ready to roll, man. I need 2 more, and I got it.
Okay, he's got a little bit of a shot going on here.
He's pretty good.
When I was on the ground after that 3rd one, I looked up at Shane, a look of just sadness, in a moment of clarity that my boys weren't getting any money.
Let's go, DC! Help me up.
Stand.
And I looked over and I saw the face of Thailand Clark, Luis, and I saw Brad, and I said, you know, I have to fight for my boys.
Good. There we go, for the top. That's one. You screwed up on me.
Next one, bang, I stopped one.
Watch the fake!
So I dive, and I stick my stick out as far as I can. It knocks the puck out of there. Listen, I have no idea how I am doing this. Like, no idea whatsoever.
Hey, you're a great spot. 7 came, and I'm like, all right, cool. I need one more. I got one more. DC's blocking all of them. Come on, you got one.
There's 3 more. Give me the ball!
The next one hits me in the nuts. Then it just falls down. It's like, what is going on? Now the pressure's switching because it's on Stipe now. Now he's only got 3. He's got to make 2 to win, 1 to tie.
All right, 2 shots left. Here we go. Down 1 goal, 4-3.
Hang in there, my brother!
Here we go, here we go.
Okay, this is it. This is the win, brother. This is the win.
What is going on?
I told you, underdogs, my man.
Hey, make your best shot, go for the tie. We'll take it to extra time, that's fine. My 10th shot. Now the pressure shot I gotta make this to go in extra, it's on death.
This is it.
Hang in there, my brother!
All right, here we go, the tie.
Focus! Hang in there, my brother! Focus!
That has to be one of the proudest moments I've ever had in my entire life. It felt great to win the money for myself, but more importantly, I wanted to win it for my team. Because I did tell the guys that we would match whatever we won in the Coach's Challenge if we did.
DC overcame the odds, and there was a miracle on ice, because that some won. And nobody was expecting it, and it was a good day.
You were good, man, you were good. I hate losing. I hate it. I hate it so much. And it's not so much about me losing, it was me losing and the guy's not making that money. And then I would have gave him that $10,000 too, you know, and I felt bad. I still feel bad about it. I tried, dude.
I know. Nobody would have thought that Cormier was going to be able to stop 7 in a row. You know, hats off to him. Just another battle they won. I mean, they keep on winning, but again, they can win as many battles as they want, but I'm going to win the war.
Ah! What the hell just happened?
Great job, man. That was awesome.
I got so lucky.
This ridiculousness could never happen to any other team with Team Cormier. When you guys watch this at home, I promise you, this is not staged. This is not set up. This was a real thing. Like, I won a hockey challenge. I'm so tired. And my whole life, I'm gonna keep that, and I'm gonna tell my kids, guys, this is the day that Dad, like, really, truly defied the odds. And that episode will always stay on my DVR. It's never going anywhere.